Chapter 2, ninth class, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.2. Third, verify whether the values of x in each case are the zeros of polynomial or not. In the last class, we discussed about first four solutions. Now, we are going to discuss about remaining solutions in third bit. See, fifth one. Solution. What is given? P of y is equals to y square. P of y equals to y square. Take this equation 1. Put y equals to 0. Already given y equals to 0 in equation 1. This means P of y is equals to, in the place of y, P of y is not P of 0. P of 0 is equals to 0 square. That means P of 0 is equals to 0. Therefore, y equals to 0 is the 0 of polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. What is a polynomial? P of y is equals to y square. Answer is over. Now move to next question. See here, P of x is equals to ax plus b and x value is minus b by a is given. Solution. P of x is equals to ax plus b. Take this equation 1. Put x is equals to minus b by a in equation 1. We get P of minus b by a is equals to a bracket minus b by a plus b. Now P of minus b by a is equals to a, numerator and denominator a should be cancelled. That means minus b plus b. Now P of minus b by a is equals to minus b plus b becomes 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial. Polynomial is what? P of x is equals to ax plus b is the polynomial. Now move to next question. See, f of x is equals to 3x square minus 1, x equals to minus 1 by 3, x equals to 2 by 3. Two values is given. Solution. F of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. Take this is equation 1. Put x is equals to minus 1 by root 3 in equation 1. Now f of minus 1 by root 3, that equals to 3 minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. See here, minus 1 by root 3 whole square means, that means minus 1 into minus 1 by root 3 into root 3, that equals minus minus becomes plus 1. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3, means root 3 square, root square cancels, that becomes 3, isn't it? Understood all of you? Yes. Now f of minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. This cancel, that becomes 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. Therefore, f of minus 1 by root 3 equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Now put x is equals to another value is also given, that is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 in equation 1. What is the equation of f of x? F of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. So f of 2 by root 3, that is equals to 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. This became 3 into 4 by 3, means root 3 square became 3 only and 2 square became 4. Now minus 1. Here 3 numerator denominator cancels. F of 2 by root 3 is equals to 4 minus 1. That means f of 2 by root 3 is equals to 4 minus 1 becomes 3. Therefore x is equals to 2 by root 3 is, this is not equal to 0, so that's why is not a 0, not a 0 of the polynomial. What is the polynomial? F of x is equals to 3 x square minus 1. Now move to next question. See here, f of x is equals to 2x minus 1 is a polynomial and x equals to 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 is given values. Now solution. What is given? Polynomial f of x is equals to 2x minus 1. Take this equation 1. Put x equals to 1 by 2 in equation 1. Now f of 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. Numerator denominator 2 cancels. Therefore f of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 minus 1. Therefore f of 1 by 2 is equals to plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0, isn't it? Therefore x is equals to 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. What is the polynomial? F of x is equals to 2x minus 1, isn't it? Now in second case, put x is equals to minus 1 by 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 means this one. F of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Numerator denominator 2 cancels. Therefore f of minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 1 minus 1. Therefore f of minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 1 becomes minus 2. That means that is not equals to 0. Therefore when x is equals to minus 1 by 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial f of x is equals to 2x minus 1. Understand all of you? Thank you one and all. Thank you very much.